Hi everybody, sorry I didn't make it to class today. I actually will be in Bozeman when you guys are watching this video. I'm getting all my stuff ready because I'm flying out tomorrow morning to Greece for a couple weeks. And so I'm missing this peer teach, and I wanted to just take a video to show you my manipulatives lesson plan. So basically, this lesson plan is geared towards first graders with the assumption that they have enough background knowledge in addition and subtraction to 20, and that is the basics of the standard I chose, was to add and subtract within 20. And then the manipulatives that I chose to use were the dice and these red and yellow foam discs. And I actually wanted to use the transparent chips, but there weren't any in the backpack. So these will work just fine because then each player can have their own color. So basically, to play this game, you're gonna have this game board. It's called the bump game. It's sort of similar to checkers. So there's 11 boxes numbered 2 through 12. Each box has its own addition problem. There's an answer below in these discs. There's 11 different discs, and there's an answer that correlates with each problem. So what we're gonna do is player 1 rolls the dice. Then player 1 will add the dice, the numbers on the dice. So I'll show you what I got. I got a 2 and a 1, which adds to 3. So I'm gonna look on my board. I'm gonna find problem number 3, and I'm gonna see that the problem is 3 plus 7. So I'm gonna look below here, and I'm gonna find 10, which is the answer to 3 plus 7. And I'm gonna be the yellow chip person. So I'm gonna put my chip on number 10. So basically, the rules of this game are that you roll the dice, you add the numbers on the dice. That's the problem that you need to answer. If you get it right, you get to put your disc on the answer. If you get it wrong, you don't get to put your disc on the answer. For example, I already rolled a 3, a 2 and a 1. Say player number 2 rolls a 3. If they answer the question right, if they answer 7 plus 3 right, they get to knock me off. So they would get to put their red disc on top and take my yellow disc off. So say I still had my yellow disc on the 10, on the answer for number 3, and I rolled 2 and 1 again. If I get the answer right again, if I answer that 7 plus 3 equals 10, I get to double up. I get to add another yellow disc. Once I have 2 yellow discs on top of each other, they cannot get bumped off. This is where it's similar to checkers. So the goal of this game is to play until you have all of your discs on all of the answers. The assessment for this lesson was to have switch partners one time so that you would have played 2 different people, and each person you played needed to sign their name on your game board so that I could see that you played the game 2 different times.